ang galing din ng kwento natin eh. Kasi di ba naghanap na tayo, nag-first round na tayo, pero huminto muna tayo. Tapos tsaka tayo naghanap ulit, and then we are finally here. Okay lang ba ikwento nyo ng konti? Kasi maybe it's a good lesson for others also na ano yung naisip nyo, kung bakit nag-pause, and then I think it was better. So okay lang ba ikwento nyo?
Siguro po, sabi niyo nga po, yung journey last year, we're almost like halfway na sa pag-search ng bahay. Pero kami po kasi, lagi po namin yung pina-follow na parang Bible verse is, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. So parang siguro, at that time, si Lord, sabi niya, may nakaplan pa ako para sa inyo. Just wait, be patient. Next year, wait, now, we'll give you your another wish or another blessing, which is having another baby. So, siguro at that time, plan ni Lord na parang, plan ko sa inyo na makakita pa kayo ng better, na mas magpipit yung family nyo. So, siguro ito talaga yung right time. So, para sa akin po kasi, parang if it's not God's will, it will not be done. It's not our will, it's always His will.
Tama, galing. Rocarlo.
We are almost there, but nagpasya nga kami, nag-usap kami. So, yung bahay medyo, hindi namin gano'n kagusto. So, we reach out sa inyo na pasensya muna ngayon, and then we'll reach you out once we are like 100% decided. And then, by the time, we waited for my provisionary para matapos.
Employment.
Because I just joined my new company, so we waited for at least 3 months to combine our approve mortgage amount. So nangyari, and then the same thing sa nag-approve ng mortgage, madali din naman ang process. So it's like, para sa inyo yan. Yun yung nakita namin sa pagbili ng bahay na to. So with the help of you guys also, I can say we are so much thankful with the team, couple, and then
galing. So congratulations again.